Welcome to Design Your Gift. Over the past 10 years, we have found that women, men, and kids love the creativity of making beaded jewelry for themselves or as gifts for their friends at our bead box parties. It's something so much fun to do during those stay-at-home times or just a relaxing break from everyday stuff. Hi, I'm Sue from Design Your Gift. The first things we want to think about are, what would you like to design? Do you want something to go with a particular outfit? Do you have a certain color that you'd like? Bracelets are easy and fast to do. There's a stretchy kind like this. They're easy on and off. Or you can make one with a clasp. Necklaces come in all different sizes and styles. You can make it short, long and very fancy, or extra long. It all depends on the style of jewelry you prefer or the outfit that you're wearing it with. Earrings can be made in single bead, like this, or this, or a basic pearl. You can stack the beads like these, or these. Or you can make a chandelier that basically has some type of a frame to it, with a pretty bead in the middle, or with multiple strands like these. You can also make other quick gifts like keychains, bookmarks, and sun catchers. These are just some of the things I'll help you learn how to make. Next time, we'll cover the basic tools and supplies that you're going to need. So until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.